When Seiko launched their NH34 GMT movement, a bunch of microbrands flushed the market with affordable GMT options, just as I expected, while one brand from Thailand, Wise, that I like to refer to as Grand Seiko microbrands due to their consistently high finish quality, wisely, pun intended, waited, and is now offering a GMT watch that I think is the best on the market, including watches costing twice as much. The ADX is a 40mm GMT sports watch with 200 meters of water resistance and only 12.5mm of thickness done in 904L steel, yes, the same one used by Rolex, and comes with a matching bracelet with properly done T-shaped end links that, due to the design, don't extend the total lug-to-lug of the watch, something nobody else seems to get right. The bracelet itself is amazing, with solid links, end links, and a milled-out clasp with one of the best on-the-fly adjustment systems I've ever seen. Due to them using quick-release spring bars, the end link tends to move less freely than when using regular spring bars. If you find that annoying, it is easily solved by switching to regular ones, but I personally don't mind it. As for the rest of the watch, it is simply on another level. As usual with Wise, the finish is on par with my Rolex, even under macro, while the movement used makes this one of the very few true GMT watches out there. Most GMT watches on the market are so-called collar GMTs, where you move the GMT hand independently, as they use either their already mentioned Seiko movement or a more premium Swiss-made ETA, while this thing uses a Miyota 9075, making it a true or traveler's GMT, where you get to move the hour hand independently, which is much more practical. So just like the Rolex GMT Master 2, Wise makes it easy to switch time zones while traveling. Also, unlike most brands that simply use their existing unidirectional diverse bezels and exchange the insert from a timing one to a 24-hour one, Wise not only made a bidirectional bezel instead of a more common unidirectional, but they also tampered with a number of clicks, making 72 of them, just as a true GMT watch should have. The bezel action itself is again on par with my Rolex, snappy, precise, and a joy to use. The bicolor ceramic insert catches the light beautifully and changes from a light brown to almost black. The one thing I disliked about their watches, an all-polished finish, has been addressed on this as well. Using brushed finish on all the main surfaces and making only the bevels polished, it not only makes for a better daily wear, as it will hide scratches better, but also makes the beautiful case lines stand out. Every Wise has incredible lines and reminds me of vintage Grand and King Seikos, but the all-polished finish made those lines blend together somewhat. By mixing finishes, they really pop and stand out, showing them in their full glory. Even though I'm still struggling to decide if I find this or the AD8 more beautiful, I can without a doubt say that as a watch and the total package, this is not only better than the AD8, but the best Wise and one of the best microbrand watches I ever featured on the channel. It is simply made exactly as I would make a GMT. It was well worth the wait, and Wise deserves a huge respect for making this at this level and at this price. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.